As you can see, this is the maze-solving robot in action. Now, as it moves through the maze, it uses its IR sensors to effectively solve the maze. This is using a logic known as left-hand rule logic. This allows the robot to keep on the left wall and not move away from it. This allows it to solve very complex mazes, albeit in a time-consuming manner. This allows the robot to get through the maze without major hiccups or issues. Now let's see it solve a more complex maze. This maze has a dead-end corner, and as you can see later in the video, the robot is able to easily solve the maze. This is due to the coded logic and the two front IR sensors. When it detects that the front IR sensors are blocked, along with the left sensor, this makes it do a right turn, allowing it to solve the maze. This is an effective way of solving the maze. However, it does have its issues, as if it gets into a isolated loop, it can get stuck, which is not very possible in this situation, unless someone was to remove a wall or a wall was to fall. Another issue is that it does not have any memory of the maze, so it can not effectively solve the maze in a time-efficient manner once it learns the maze's route, as there is no onboard memory that remembers the maze. Please enjoy the rest of the video, and thank you for listening.